Welcome to the very last video of 2022. Last year I did the same video where I talked about my plans for 2022 and what happened 2021. This is going to be the same thing. I'll talk about what happened and what are my plans for 2023. I do have a list of the things that I want to talk about, but of course, first I want to say thank you to everyone who took my courses and who helped me make it better. Every comments, every emails that I get is much appreciated, and without all of those, I wouldn't be able to improve them. Second of all, I want to say thank you for helping me reach 6,000 subscribers, and also I want to say thank you to 8,000 people who took my courses. That's another milestone that I was not able to celebrate with you guys. Can you imagine? It's 8,000 people. It's a lot of people. So thank you so much for taking the courses and for enjoying them. All the feedbacks that I receive is much appreciated. So thank you so much. Now, I don't want to make excuses for not being able to make more content as I promised. It's just that, yeah, ever since I started my master's degree, I just have less time to make content. Speaking of masters, some of you can probably remember that I mentioned in the past that I will be traveling somewhere outside of the Philippines to finish my master's degree. How's it so far? Well, I'd be lying to you if I say it's amazing, but obviously there are goods and bads, but I'm learning a lot. It's overwhelming. Recently, I've been having mental health issues. I've been depressed. Yeah, it's just my mental state is just... So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I barely make videos recently. But I'm trying to continue the course. I'm trying to update the courses because, yeah, I'm enjoying it, and that's one of the things that makes me happy. But at the same time, I'm trying to not overwork myself and to not overthink too much. I'm trying to give myself the time that I need to comfort myself, I guess. Yeah. It's cold. It's a lot of things to process, but I'm very fortunate to be surrounded by people who understands me, who always tells me to take my time. Yeah, to just relax. It's gonna be okay. Now, as we approach the end of the year, it's natural to start thinking about your new resolutions and your new goals for 2023. But before we do that, let's take a moment to look back and see if I actually achieved the goals that I mentioned in my past yearly video. But to make it quick, these are the things that I mentioned in my last year's video. Number 1, get admitted to a school. Number 2, make more YouTube videos. Number 3, make hydrogen videos or course. And number 4, learn business. Number 1, get accepted and start my master's degree. I guess that happened, so check. Number 2, make more YouTube video content. I mean, sure, I made more than 10 videos, so that's a check too. Number 3, make a video about hydrogen. I'm pretty sure I did not do that. I didn't have time to check out hydrogen. I didn't have time to work on Shopify app development. So I'm sorry. I'll try to do that next year. Should I promise that? I'm not sure if I should do that. Number 4, am I learning new things about business? Yes. In fact, we started talking about business models, accounting, money. So yes, I guess I'm learning. Am I enjoying them though? I think I'm just gonna hire someone to do those jobs for me. But jokes aside, I'm happy to, achieve some of my plans instead of failing them. So that's good. Now, what about next year? I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do. I just want to sleep. But recently, in the past 2 months, I've been studying cinematography, camera lenses, audio, sound effects, audio frequencies, everything related to medias. I'm studying them. So next year, my plan is just to integrate or use what I'm about to learn and make content that is helpful and entertaining at the same time. I want to step up my game. I want to make something bigger than the documentary that I created this year. So I hope you get to see that. So once again, I want to say thank you. Thank you for everything that you do to the community. Thank you for taking my courses. Thank you for helping me improve them. Everything that you do to the channel, to the community is very well appreciated. So yeah, happy holidays. I hope you and your family is doing well. Now, I hope you join me once again for more madness and creativity. Until then, happy holidays and I'll see you next year. Keep creating and coding.